Hello everybody, it's my first video on this channel and I'm gonna show you how to install the new skin changer on your PC. But first of all, subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment. Let's go! Okay guys, this is our skin changer. You need to cut it and paste it into your flash drive because without it, it will kick you from game. But I'm not gonna show it now, so just you need to copy it into your flash drive. Then just follow me. Okay, you copy it to the flash drive. Okay guys, we need to open this as administrator. It will download the update. Between download link gonna be in description. Okay, we need to run it. Then this one. Okay, we need to wait here until he will download some skins. Now it's extracting something. Just it will do if you run it first time. Okay, it's done. Then go to this folder and run this program. And click this one again. And then this one. Again this one. And now we need to run it. He's now waiting until we run CSGO. Now we need to hit home button in your keyboard. And there's you can choose a team like terrorist. And there's your weapons like AK-47, full injector. I got skins here, I will disable it. Okay, let's go offline with the bots. Okay, press home button. Let's choose your knife. There's a knife. Like I want this one. Okay, look, it changed. And we can choose our skin. Like Doppler. We can change wear here. See. Everything you need to control. And it's working very well. I'll change Glock skin too. Okay, there's a Glock. And Fade. Okay guys, that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.